Now this is another structure inside the Riddhi Viharaya called the Varakavelandu Viharaya. So Varakavelandu Viharaya, in that's a Sinhala word, of course, which translates to the temple where jackfruit was eaten or partaken. So you can see that this was a small temple made under another cave. That's the rock formation, and the structure itself looks more like a Hindu architecture. And it is said that in the 12th century, a group of traders offered jackfruit to the Arhant in the group, and him and the other monks, the Arhant and the monks, came here to partake the jackfruit, and this is why this is called the Varakavelandu Viharaya. So Varaka in Sinhala is called jackfruit, and a tradition here is this is supposed to be a varaka, so you can see that the leaves are here and the jackfruit is here. So people come here and they actually touch, and they believe that all their illnesses will be gone because of the blessings of this small temple place. The pillars are more like a Hindu temple, but the architecture is from the Kandyan kingdom era, and inside also we can see a small mini gallery of Buddha art and Buddha statues, and we can see that there are different types of, this is Lord Buddha, and of course the gods who are around him, and there's people offering things. We can see here that there are kings and royalties who are offering for the Lord Buddha. So this is more like a beautiful cave art area, the place inside a cave, a small temple inside a cave, just like what we see in Dambulla, and we saw similar wall art in the Kalaniya video also. So this is the Varakavelandu Viharaya, another mini temple inside the Riddhi Viharaya in Ridhigama, Kurunegala.